All right, hello everyone. This is going to be a tour of the Hotel Gibbs that is now called as was formerly used to be the Gibbs building, but it was actually converted into a hotel. So we're going to take a look at some of the architectures that is unveiled. This building still has left some of the historical architecture, so we're going to go ahead and check it out. Before we go in, here is another overview of this old historic building itself. As we go into the lobby. All right. There's the Hotel Gibbs sign. This right here is the view of the old historic lobby, which is pretty much the remaining part of this wing. This lobby right here is original to when it was originally the Gibbs building right here. Here's your information sign right here. Wow. I love this historic grand staircase right here. It's your business center. Sitting area with your luggage cart. And I want to tell you something. You might think that these are the main elevators, but actually it's not. I know somebody that went, oh, these are vintage Otis. Oh my gosh, this is a vintage Otis. But actually, look at this. These are the actual main elevators. So apparently these elevator doors here were left for decoration, but the original elevator cars were completely ripped out. They just left these outside hoistway doors just showing for decoration. And they're pretty much the signs that tells you where you need to go. Anyways, we're not going to go there because that is section off. Okay, now this what you're seeing is actually the breakfast area. I just realized, as this video was recorded the next morning. You see daylight out there. See, this is your breakfast lounge. This is where you get your food. And a lot of good amenities right here. Your coffee maker right here. And this is the breakfast room itself, with an amazing view into San Antonio. I just needed to include that on video. See, this is out into San Antonio. Okay, let's continue on the tour from last night. But here is the desk. This right here is your main front desk right here. This is the part of the hotel that was renovated, as you can see right here. See, this lobby is not original to the hotel. This lobby is not original to the building. You got your snacks and a drink, which $3 each. For those who are hungry and you need some snacks, don't be afraid to try one of these. And there's your microwave if you wanna toast up your food. Okay, we're gonna go down to the basement where you got some historical factors, and this right here is a big Longhorn. Okay. Now I know what you're thinking. Oh, these are vintage Otis. Oh, we got an Otis black button. Wait a minute. No. Wait, no. The elevators are over here. Oh, okay. Well, if somebody's not well familiar, that you're probably probably gonna become pranked. But anyways, we're gonna go down to the basement real quick, and there is music, so I'm gonna try to talk over, and then after that, we're gonna go to our room. So, oh, so yeah, here's the elevator right here. Indicator of silence. Oh my gosh, the down lantern cap is broken. Certicing from Aurora. That one button is replaced. This basement looks like it's been obviously renovated. But look at this. The elevators are still here. They still left the elevator doors for decoration. The button is still original, but they just painted it over. But you can still press the button, even though they don't work anymore. Look at this display right here. And it's good enough that I'm actually allowed to talk, since we're in a hotel and that I'm staying here, but even though we still have to keep our voices down. This right here goes to the restrooms. I unfortunately don't think that there is like a pool or anything. I don't know. There's like an electrical room right here. Yeah, these are like the bathrooms. But yeah, according to a hotel staff, this building was actually built in 1909, and these elevators were originally installed in 1940. But then when it became a hotel, oh, here's the exercise room. Awesome. Oh, I gotta give a lot of push. Here is the exercise room. Your treadmill, which one of these days I'm gonna try to run on a treadmill like Andrew does. You see me in the mirror right there. Hi. And this right here goes into a sauna room. Yeah, that's like a sauna. Oh, it's open. Nice. I wonder what the sauna does. Unfortunately, it's quite dark in here, and there's not even a light switch, or at least I don't even know where it is. But you can pause to read that. Those are the controls right there. All right. Gotta pull hard on these doors. There used to be something right there, but they just completely walled it off. This is like the Maverick room. I wonder what that is. See? This picture right here shows the original the original look of the doorway. I wonder what it is. Oh, that is pretty much it. Okay. I think we can head upstairs now, and we'll go look at a room. I'm gonna go up to the 8th floor. Lantern works. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. The down lantern cap is gone. Something is wrong with these elevators. And they just put an up button. And they just slapped an arrow on this. Even the floor indicator is crooked. Look at that. They seriously need to fix this elevator. This is not acceptable. The elevators are totally disfigured. Missing lanterns, crooked floor indicator. All the hallways are still historic. I unfortunately don't think there is a pool here. But anyways, look at this hallway. Look at this. This is a very historic hallway. See, they still retain their historic architectures. Look at this. I gotta get in the back to see this. Look at this. This is awesome. I love this old historic hallway. I mean, when this was a Gibbs building, I can't believe this literally takes you right back in time. I'm so glad I made this video. And here is the elevator, original elevator hallway lobby. The button is left here, but the original elevator car is completely ripped out. I mean, if this was the Gibbs building, this is exactly what this elevator hallway lobby would look like. I mean, it would be nice if they preserved at least one elevator rather than just replacing it all, because as much as I love this historically preserved hotel, I wish that they can at least preserve one elevator, because I just wanted to see what the inside looks like. I'm pretty sure the inside looks just as a gem as any other old vintage elevators. But anyways, we're gonna go ahead and look at a room. Here is your original mailbox right here. So we are in room 808. We're gonna check out the room. There are people inside, so I'm gonna have to use my hotel card to block their faces out. So let's get out the room. Anyways, as you enter the hotel room, you are greeted with 2 king-size bed. I think that's what it is. It's your hotel map. And you got your lock. This is your deadbolt for extra security. Just like that. Anyways, this right here is your closet with your ironing board, an iron clothes hanger, your sink. Look in the mirror, high. All right, see, this is what a bed looks like first thing upon entering the room. Sorry about the blanket. That was literally kind of partially open, but that's what the bed looks like as you enter the hotel guest room. This is what the room looks like. Part of my key card blocking, because I do not want to show anyone asleep. Look in the mirror, high. These are the stuff that we just unloaded. You got your poster wall right here. Here's your flat screen TV. Here's your workstation with a lot of grips that we have. Sorry for all this mess. Got your phone. And out there is a night view into San Antonio, Texas. This is a pretty nice view. Wow. This is an amazing view of downtown San Antonio. I love the Tower of the Americas, River Center Marriott, and the Grand Hyatt. as well as the Riverwalk Marriott right next to it. Okay, let's continue on. You got your nightstand right here with your alarm clock, your lamps, and this is the bed that I'm sleeping on right here. I'm trying to do my best making this video, even though we have family here that don't want to show. But anyways, last thing we gotta do is check out the bathroom. It's your commode, made by Zern. I'm gonna flush it just for you commode fans. So right here is your shower. See, this is what the shower looks like. I'm just gonna do a quick test. Pretty warm. Oh, I forgot to show that, sorry. These are your amenities that you need. Here's your hanger rack. It's a rack where you hang your towel that you need when you're showering. So anyways, I think that's pretty much, I covered this whole room. So with that being said, I'm not gonna show into the room anymore, but with that being said, I will show you a photo of a view of the hotel room or what it looks like. So with that being said, I hope you enjoyed this hotel building tour. Thank you so much for watching, and that is going to be it. Until then, I'm going to bed. Good night, y'all.